Creason loves the front of this fire truck. It has a bunch of cool gadgets on it, like the hooks to tow people, the speakers so that you can hear them coming through, and there's so much more to explore. And you can't forget about the siren. We've all heard the siren. This is a Halligan bar. They call it the hooligan tool. You should look it up sometime. They use it to break down doors to help people that are stuck.
Panama City fire truck.
This is one of our favorite places to go.
There's so many cool tools.
Yes, there is.
That becomes a step. These are all your tools.
That is a long.
That's a high-pressure hose to fight fires with.
Yep, it's a hose.
Yes, it is huge. It's about 100 feet long. Those are just his brake lights and his emergency lights.
The tire's nearly your size. Look how big the tire is.
The fire truck wheel is 33 inches tall. Creason is 48 inches tall. That's about 4 feet.
Don't touch anything.
This is the control panel for all of the water pumps. They use these hooks to help pull people when they've fallen off into a ditch.
Pull somebody out.
These lights are called spotlights. They help the firefighters see while they work in the dark. Emergency vehicles always have a lot of lights, so that way in traffic you can see them.
I'm in Panama City where the fire truck is.
Walk around this one. Maybe they can tell you about this one. That's, yeah. That is super cool.
These are the firefighters. They were very friendly and helped show us around on the fire truck. They even offered to take a picture with us. We love the firefighters. They are awesome. Wouldn't it be so cool to be a fireman or a firewoman?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Creason's holding the fire hose.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
Here, the fireman is showing Creason the inside of the fire truck.
Thank you. Go to the front, boy.
Here comes the lifeguard. He's a lot like the firefighters and the other emergency service people, but his job is to make sure that you're safe while you swim in the ocean. The lifeguard's job is to watch the tides. The tides rise and they go low, which means the waves come closer to the land and the waves get big.
This is where they pass through. It's just in case that there's an emergency.
This is an ATV. It's a four-wheel drive. This is able to drive on the sand. Regular cars and trucks would sink in the sand fast, but this will get him wherever he needs to go on the sand. And the surfboard is to help him get out into the water to someone who needs help. We are very, very thankful to have the lifeguards on duty for us. They sure do keep us safe. ATV stands for all-terrain vehicle. This may look like a regular truck, but it's also four-wheel drive, which means it uses all four tires to go. That way, it won't sink in the sand. These are the 5 beach safety tips you should follow. 1. Watch for the warning flags. 2. Beware of the waves. 3. Wear sunscreen. 4. Drink your water. 5. Check the weather. Each flag has a different color that has a different meaning. These warning flags must be obeyed. They keep you safe.
Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe.